Oho the Monkey swings tree to tree, just as happy as can be. Oho grabs a banana to eat. Of course, Oho eats with his feet. Oho leaps from treetop to treetop. He keeps going. He won't stop. Oho sees Larry Lion in trouble. He drops down to him on the double. Oho removes 2 thorns from Larry's toes. Larry gives Oho a tweak on the nose. Oho picks 2 coconuts up from the ground. He clinks them together, enjoying the sound. Oho heads to the river with a hop, hop, hop. He jumps right in with a plop, plop, plop. Oho asks Ellie the elephant for a splash. She rinses him off in just a flash. Oho looks across the river so wide. How will he get to the other side? Oho spots 3 turtles. 1, 2, 3. Now he hops over them, easy as can be. Oho thanks the turtles for helping him today. Then off he goes on his way. Oho picks some flowers, yellow and blue. He knows exactly what to do. Oho runs up Jerome Giraffe's back. He leaps onto a tree, back on the right track. Oho leaps from one tree to another. He's so happy when he sees his mother. Oho gives his mom the flowers and gets a big hug. He's home now, nice and warm and snug. Oho is asleep in his own cozy bed, while dreams of more fun adventures dance around in his head. Oho the monkey swings tree to tree, just as happy as can be.